So first of all, you girls, how beautiful are these flowers right here? We're catching the end of the season for these beautiful, lovely roses, but they're so beautiful. There were so many of them early in the year, and as you can see, some of them are now closed and they're done for the season, but they were so pretty, you girls. And there you can see the lovely water. So nice and beautiful, right? It was such a lovely, nice day out here today. There's some sunflowers over there in the distance. Yeah. But look at how beautiful it is today here at the park. So pretty, right? The sun is out. It's gonna be a really nice day. Hi my angels, hi my divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. I'm at the park and I wanted to talk about transparent clear bags, particularly a Kurt Geiger bag, as well as my little brown bag, little pink bag right here. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick with me. Hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. It is such a beautiful day today in the Midwest, you girls. So enjoy some of this beautiful weather in Chicago or Indiana, Iowa, Michigan, wherever you are, Wisconsin. Go out today and enjoy this beautiful weather at the park and just breathe in some of this fresh air, you guys. So yeah, so today I wanted to talk about clear bags. So I'm at the park and I have this clear bag with me right here. This is one of my favorite little clear bags. It's a Kurt Geiger mini Kensington transparent bag. This is it right here. And I just have a bunch of little necessities thrown in there today. But like I said, I was just feeling a summery mood because we're not gonna have much more of this nice weather. Pretty soon it's gonna be getting so cold and chilly. When fall comes to Midwest, that hawk hits us, it's gonna get really cold. So I wanna enjoy some of these, what I consider summer bags in my collection. So I was at Dollar Tree, and you know you can find some good deals at Dollar Tree. And while I was there, I picked up these two beauties, and they're transparent, and they're gonna look so nice and go so well. I'm sure you girls have seen these at the Dollar Tree recently. These transparent little beach bags, you don't just have to use them at the beach. You can use them anytime you want to, you girls. So I figured in some of my larger transparent totes, I could go ahead and use these as accessories in my, little makeup pouches in my transparent totes. By the way, let's address the elephant in the room. So I was on TikTok and I was trying a TikTok hack, you guys, my lipstick. So I tried this TikTok hack that I saw where the young lady put some red on the outer portion of her lips and some pink on the inner portion of her lips. So I went ahead with some Fenty Beauty lip gloss and I went ahead and tried this hack. I don't know how it turned out for me. Yeah, you girls. So I went ahead and I tried that little TikTok hack, and all I could say is, I may try it again, but this is how it turned out today. So I'm liking that. And another thing that I wanted to share with you girls is a while ago I posted in my community, Akira, you guys. I love shopping at Akira. Akira is so trendy and so upbeat and up to date. Anytime I go in the store, they got their music popping, and I absolutely love Akira. And when I was there and online, I noticed that they had some transparent bags. So I wanted to talk to you girls about some of these beauties today. A while ago, I put it in my community and I never did the unpackaging of this. So this was the transparent bag that I went ahead and I picked up from Akira right here. So here's the lovely pink transparent bag that I picked up from Akira, and I figured I could go ahead and transfer some of my lovely items out of this bag, the little pink bag by Bloomingdales, and I could go ahead and put some of those items and carry this tote bag today from Akira. Look at how pretty that is. And these are so affordable online. So I figured you girls, I could go ahead and switch over some of my items out of the little pink bag into this Akira tote. And basically what all I'm carrying in there, or what all I have a lot of stuff in here. I brought an eyeshadow palette right here with me. This is so cute, peanut butter and jealous. Some nail files with me. Of course, I have my mask case and my sunglasses case with me. Some eyeshadow brushes, another nail file. These bejeweled pens from the Dollar Tree are always so nice to pick up. This lip gloss, this is Juicy Couture. This lip gloss is so pretty by Juicy Couture. And what I like about it, it has a little sprinkle of glitter in it as well. So here it is right here. And you can see it says Juicy Couture right there. And then it has a little sprinkle of glitter. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera where you could see how, you know, iridescent and how the glitter is shining on that. But this is so beautiful, this lip gloss or lipstick by Juicy Couture. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these items, not all of them, but some of these items out of my little pink bag into my new transparent bag by Akira. And also gotta have some candy. Gotta bring some candy with me, you guys. So I picked that up. Sometimes it is available and then sometimes it's not available anymore. So since I went ahead and picked up so many, you know, since I went ahead and picked this up for me, so I didn't want you girls to miss out just in case you were looking for it online. So I went ahead and picked up several of these beauties, you girls. And just comment down below, let me know if you want me to send you one of these transparent bags, and I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. And I mean, I don't have, you know, I have several of them, but probably not enough for every single one. But I will go ahead and send it to you if you go ahead and comment down below. I'll try to get some of these mailed out to some of you girls. So the beautiful red is so pretty. It came in red. And they are still available online. Like I said, they're not the most expensive bag, but they are a nice transparent summer tote for a beach bag. Look at how cute this one is. Look at the green. This is like a green or a yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's green. Look at how beautiful the green is. The green is so, so pretty, you girls. So the green is very nice. I think that's like a neon, beautiful green. And like I said, it'll match up with some of these Dollar Tree little transparent bags. It'll look so cute with some of these Dollar Tree little transparent bags. It's just gonna look really, really pretty. The iridescent bags, the clear transparent bags are so beautiful, you girls. The beautiful, lovely pink. Beautiful, lovely pink. So I think today I was gonna go ahead and switch out of my little brown bag into this pink color right here. Look at those two together. The PVC bags are so nice. I was gonna go ahead and switch into this pink one, but now that I think about it, I actually think since I'm carrying this Geiger Kensington as a crossbody, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the tote that's like a yellow, green, neon color as well. So I think, you girls, my choice today is gonna be this one. My choice today is gonna be this one because I think I could carry this as a tote and then carry the Geiger bag crossbody. That's gonna look so, so cute. Put that back crossbody. Also did go ahead and bring a planner with me because since I'm gonna be carrying a tote now, the Akira tote, I figured I could use this today. I always like bringing a book with me to write down information on. So I brought my trusty, one of my Wrong DeVoe planners, and these are just so nice to put in a tote bag. They could fit so well in a tote bag. They look so nice in a tote bag. So this will fit really nicely in my tote. And it has also in here, I love this right here with all the girls and all the bags in this planner. I have a little puppy near me. Hi, little puppy. He's so cute. I don't know if he wants to be in my video though. He's barking. So yeah, but this will look really nice in my tote. So let me go ahead and take the price tag off of this tote. Go ahead and take the price tag off of this little cutie. And then I'm gonna go ahead, and the first thing that I'm gonna put in here is my planner. Hi. Good morning. She's so pretty.
Thank you, please.
You're welcome. I have my planner in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and toss some more of these items in my tote bag. I probably use the green and the pink pouch, even though the green one does really go with it right here. I think the pink will look cute in there for a little bit of contrast. So there it is with the green beach from the Dollar Tree, the beach cosmetics case. That's so cute. So nice. It's a really beautiful day out here. There's an airplane. Okay, let me go ahead and take the tag off of the pink one. We'll see what the pink one looks like. Maybe I like it, maybe I won't like it, maybe I won't use it, but I'm just putting it in here for right now. It's empty. Of course I have to go ahead and put my items in there, but I can't do, can only do so much on camera. That's what it looks like with the pink in there. And then with my candy, my treats in there. These are so good. Go ahead and put that in there just to give you girls an idea of what that's gonna look like. There it is with my treats in there. So yeah, you girls, I'm gonna go ahead off camera and finish switching out the items from this lovely little brown bag, which I love so much, from Bloomingdale's, to this Akira shopping tote, you girls. And just remember to go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you want me to send you one of these, because they're so cute. And they are on sale for very cheap, very affordable on Akira, but I do have a couple extra ones. So if you want one, as long as you're one of my subscribers, go ahead and comment down below and I'll send you one. So yeah, that's all I have to share with you today, you girls. Go out and enjoy some of this beautiful weather and this beautiful day. Remember to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. And I was sitting over here, you girls.